seem like it'd be a tour guide on this place.
Oh, yeah? We'll put this on YouTube.
Flower market, Bangkok's biggest flower market. 120 flowers a day. You can't actually see it, so there's no way to go to find it, but
They were there somewhere.
make your way back there sometime.
That's beautiful right there. Look how crystal clear the water is.
Because of the land shortage in Bangkok, the government has designed floating apartments.
It's probably halfway true, actually. Probably like 50 homeless people on each one.
Imagine you were rich enough and you never had to work again.
I imagine that every day. What's that? Let's make something up.
That is
The King's
Royal Court.
And this is the area of Bangkok that everyone wants to live in, right here.
I think you see that building is the same spot as
Yeah.
all in one, and the one that's not finished.
Isn't that the hotel? Oh, you haven't seen it yet. Hangout 2, that's like the hotel from there. Looks like it anyway.
Which one?
The one with the golden dome?
You think it from Hangover 2?
Yeah. King of the world! As you can tell,
Bottom of the river.
can you see to the bottom?
Yeah.
Well, you know, the Thais are really careful about polluting their river. They want to keep the water as clean as possible, as you can tell by the crystal clarity of it. Uh-oh. You gotta be careful. We'll stop at one of these docks and I'll be like there and I'll be like, I'll be pissed. See?